So today we're making some Jello candy. Make some rice.
Blue.
This one. Fill the
oval. Fill the oval depression number 1, which is there's different shapes. So you want to fill the oval depression with water, then add powder from the blue packet. Stir until thick like cooked rice. Are your hands clean?
Yes.
Now fill the oval with water.
Wait, just
hold on.
a little bit
Hold
more.
on. The oval has to be
Just
filled
a
with
little.
water. Okay, that's it. That's filled with water.
Oh.
Now use the spoon and stir.
Wait.
Careful, try not to get it over the other side.
It's kind of smells good. Mom, look, it's getting to look like snow. Smells like bubble gum.
Yep. Stir until thick like cooked rice. Let me see.
Thick?
Is it thick? Does it look like cooked rice?
Yeah.
So let's show them. Okay, an omelette.
Can I cut it?
Add water up to the line on the side in the spiral section, then add powder from the yellow packet. Mix, spread, and flatten.
This one.
See that line?
Yeah.
You have to add to that line. So you do it careful. Oh, you're so careful. Go, hold it. Yellow packet. Mix, spread, and flatten. Gentle your hands though so it doesn't spill. That's good, you're doing great. Wait for 3 minutes until firm. Okay, here. Number 3, make tuna. Add water to the line on side in wavy section. Then add powder from the red packet. Mix, spread, and flatten. I think it's better if you do it this way. Try not to get it on the yellow part and the white.
What did it say?
Mix. Same thing you did for the omelette.
Yeah.
Here, let me help you mix.
Look, it's like strawberry already.
Number 4. Make dried seaweed. Spread out the black candy to match shape and size of packaging pouch.
What did it say?
Spread it out to be the same shape as the packaging pouch. Gentle. As big.
Wait. Start. Make salmon wool. Add water up to lines on sides.
Now for B2. Stop. And this is salmon roe B.
And then
okay, go ahead. Mix. Use dropper. It said use dropper to slowly add.
to A.
Just one drop at a time. You only want them to look like salmon roe. Drop it there, one at a time. Little drops. 1, 2. How to make omelette and tuna sushi. Form a rice ball. Okay, so let's make 5. Let's divide it into 5. Just make a ball. No, you don't have to roll it. You just make it gentle. Cut omelette and tuna in half. Cut tuna in half. Cut omelette in half. Flip halves over and put on rice balls. So I'm cutting on the sides. I'm loosening it off all the sides, right?
Yeah, smells like jello.
I'm going to gently pull it up. Gently. Super gently. And then it said upside down. Oh, how nice that is. Look how cute. Gently, gentle, and then I'll help you. Oop, 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 oop. Gentle with your hand. Gentle with your hand.
Put it up.
Over there. Nice. Let's free the egg first. Hold on, not yet. We haven't gone there. Augie, this is the egg, the tamago. Hold on.
Let me try to... Can I did it!
Nice. So 1,
2,
2, 3, 4. Oops,
Ooh.
careful.
Tastes good.
That's then
not
you
a
can
nice ball.
wrap it.
Let me eat it. Tastes like fruit roll-up.
I bet you it is.
It tastes definitely like it.
You put the, hold on, let's put it in here. Then you can scoop out the little
Balls.
balls and put it in there. Make soy sauce. Fill dropper half full of water.
It's finished. Tastes good. Wait, may I eat the rest? That tastes really good.
Show that.
After I eat this.
Don't eat it all. Fill dropper half with water. Add powder from brown packet and mix well.
It's brown. Mixed well, it said. And it said mixed well. Mixed well. Mixed well. Tastes sweet. 1.
Keeps falling on its side.
Oh, watch it.
Don't mix it too much now. It's really good.
Tastes good.
Do you want to show it?
Yeah. And here's the soy sauce. I'm gonna eat this. Let's. I'm gonna dip this in the soy sauce.
What does it taste like?
Makes it taste. It tastes really sweet.